Hi girlies, and welcome to Girl Beats World. Today I am showing off this super fun unicorn look that could be worn to Coachella, which I know is around the corner, or any other music festival or carnival that you have planned for this season. Now, I wanted to make sure I gave you enough time to learn exactly how I did this eyeshadow without making the video too long. So I did skip certain parts of this full look, like my foundation routine and how I did my eyebrows. Don't worry, the foundation routine can be found on my channel or in the link below in the bio. Make sure you watch it to the end to see how I got these fun unicorn sparkles. And if you like the video, please be sure to subscribe so you can get notified about other videos and hit the like button at the end. Thank you so much. Now, let's get beat. Okay, to kick off this beat, I'm going in with my Urban Decay Prime and Potion Primer. Primer is really important because it allows the colors of your eyeshadows to truly pop and stand out. And with the colors that we're using for this unicorn look, we want that. Next, I'm going in with my white NYX base, and I'm applying that all over my lid. Base allows the eyeshadow to be nice and smooth. Now that we've got our primer and base on, I'm going to be using my Juvia's palette, Zulu, and I'm going to be starting with this pink transition color on my eyelids. So right in that crease, I'm going to use a blending brush and just start packing in that beautiful pink color. With blending, you just want to go side to side and back and forth. Now I'm going in with my purple, and I'm using my contour eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pack that purple on top of the pink in the crease. I do plan on doing a cut crease look for this, so I don't want the purple going onto my eyelids. I want to put it right on the crease and slightly above it so it flows into that pink color. I like this brush because it allows me to pack the color right on. Okay, now that we've applied the purple, I'm gonna go in and blend. Blending is so important. It allows the colors to not show any lines and really flow together. Now that I've blended, it's time to cut the crease. Cut creases have become really popular lately, and it's really just a technique using concealer to really make that crease nice and clean cut. I'm using my Colourpop concealer to cut my crease today. Again, to save time, I really didn't want or feel the need to show how to cut both eyes. Once you see it done on one, you'll be able to apply the other. So I'm going to complete cutting my eye on this side and then go ahead and move on to the next part of this look. Right now I'm bringing it all the way out so that way my eyeshadow can elongate my eyelid a little bit. So just tap across, make sure you make that line nice and neat from inner corner to outer corner of your eye. Okay, as I mentioned, I did my second eye off camera, and now I'm going in with my flat eyeshadow brush and my MAC Prime and Fix primer. I like to use this when I'm using brighter sparkly colors, like the color I'm about to show you now. So we are going in with that same Zulu palette and using this lime green color on the inner corner of the eye. With the unicorns, you know, they're bright, sparkly colors, they're fun colors. So I wanted to go ahead and have some more fun with this green eyeshadow. You may have seen it on my St. Patrick's Day green eyeshadow tutorial, which you can find on my page. If you haven't seen it, it really has such a beautiful pop. So as I'm applying this green, I'm making sure that I'm not interrupting that cut crease that I just did. You want to go right up to that line, but you want to make sure you keep that definition between that purple and that green. So we're going to just speed through both eyes. Same thing on that eye, make sure you don't interrupt the line, and then move on to our next color, I'm using a clean brush, a separate brush, just a regular eyeshadow one. And I'm going in with this light sparkly blue. Again, just keeping with that light, fun colors. And I'm going to apply this blue right into the middle of my eye. I had a lot less trouble with this blue than I did with the green, but it still looks beautiful together. I really, really love it. So I'm just applying that, again, not wanting to disturb that cut crease and allowing it to blend into the green. You don't want harsh lines. You want them to blend in effortlessly. I can't drive home enough how important blending is. Okay, now that I put on that light blue, I'm going to go in with this matted teal on a little bit further out, closer to my outer eye, but not the complete outer corner, because on the outer corner, I want to use this purple. So I left like a little corner crease there for the purple, and I want that to blend in with that purple on top so it all kind of evenly flows. Again, blending is so important. So now that I've added that purple and I want it to all flow in together with that crease color, I'm just going to go ahead and blend using my blending brush and a little bit of that product. Now I'm using my primer on my waterline along with my NYX base. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to add those same colors to my waterline and I want them to pop the same way they're popping on the lid. So I'm just following those colors the same way I applied them the first time across using a flat brush. I'm digging it. Now we're going to highlight our brow. I'm just using my favorite angle pointed eyeshadow brush. Now that we've highlighted our brow, I'm going in with my new MAC eyeliner. I'll have a link to this below. This one is slightly thicker of a brush than my Urban Decay eyeliner that I've used in previous videos. So it just is a little easier and a little easier to maneuver for beginners. So I'm going in, I'm pulling out my liner from the bottom piece to make it a wing liner look. And then I'm connecting that bottom line to my water and lash line. Then I'm going back on top and just pulling that liner all the way over. Now that I've done my eyeliner, I am going to go off camera and complete my foundation routine, blush, and add my eyelashes. I'll be right back. Okay, my lashes are on. I'm feeling this look. Now I'm going in with some face glue that I got off of Amazon. I will have the link in the description box below. And I'm applying the face glue in the motion that I wanted the glitter to form on my face. Next, I'm going in using a Q-tip and unicorn glitter and applying that, packing it right on to that glue. I was having a little trouble getting it to stick, so I used a little bit more of that MAC Studio Prime and Fix to get it to stick on the Q-tip and then therefore transfer over onto the glue a little easier. I did do the other side off camera because I wanted to, again, save time and make this video as short as possible with as much detail as I could. So just follow that same process off camera. Now I'm going in with my Colourpop Hutch lipstick in dark purple. And I'm just lining my lips with this because I actually feel like it goes on easier than liner for me. And then I'm following up with my Colored Rain, Amazing Rain hot pink color. I love playing with this color. I know some of you guys have seen it before and you also really enjoy it. So I'll give you more details on this lip color later. So just going back over it with Hutch to make sure it flows. And that's it. This is the final Unicorn 2019 look from Girl Beast World. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.